mengerti. Silakan mau bertanya ke Amir, silakan. Ada yang mau bertanya, silakan ke Amir
boleh
Zaidan.
Pak, saya mau
Ya.
dikit nih. Ya,
Oke,
saya mau
silakan.
nanya ke Amir Pak. Kita kan udah tahu nama aslinya dari Muhammad kan, itu kan juga sebuah klaim dengan kata Ahmad kan. Nah, apakah peristiwa di Goa itu adalah juga plagiat dari Yesaya 29 ayat 12, 29 ayat 11 sampai 12, dan juga apakah klaim buta huruf itu juga adalah sebuah plagiat juga, kedua hal itu?
Oke, itu ya. Oke, nah, Brother Amir, Lemerian Rockstar, ask to you. Brother Amir, ntar dulu, belum respon ya.
Can you hear me?
Brother, yeah, you hear me? You hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Lemerian Rockstar, ask to you. How about Muhammad in the Goa, in the cave?
The cave.
Yeah. Did Muhammad plagiatism from Yesaya 29 verses 12? He cannot read.
I didn't get what you said.
Ezekiel
apa?
Yeah, he was able to read. He was able to read. Muhammad was able to read and write because on certain Sulh al-Hudaybiyah and certain agreement and certain stuff like that, he wanted to put Muhammad the prophet of the prophet, and Jews, they didn't accept with him to put the prophet. So that and Omar didn't accept to remove it. Then Muhammad removed it by himself and write his name as Muhammad without the prophet. So he was able to write and read. So Muhammad able to write and read.
Oke, jadi Muhammad itu ternyata bisa membaca dan bisa menulis. Bahkan dia menulis perjanjian Hudaybiyah, dan dia menulis perjanjian-perjanjian termasuk dengan orang-orang Kristen Najran. Ya, jadi dia bisa baca, ya.
Berarti si Amir ini setuju bahwa ini hanya sebuah cocok logi.
Iya, tadi dia
Ahmad.
Iya,
gitu kan?
tadi kan dia bilang itu hanya copy paste atau hanya klaim kosong, only claim. Ya, he cannot read, he cannot write. Ya, because Muhammad dia bisa membaca dan bisa menulis, ya. Bahkan dia mengangkat dirinya juga sebagai nabi. Itu. Oh, terlempar ya, Brother Amir. Oke, Bu Uti. Bu Uti mau bertanya atau gimana?
Ya.
Tapi masih terlempar dia, Brother Amirnya nih. Sinyalnya karena dia tinggal di United Kingdom, ya.
I'm very sorry.
Okay. Your connection. Your connection bad. The bad connection.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Mr.
Silakan.
Amir. Thank you, Mr. Amir, for being here. Yeah, it's I think it's the first time for you to be here, right? Yeah,
kemarin malam, yesterday night sudah kita bicara di sini.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't follow it. Yeah.
No, okay, my pleasure to be.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. My question is because just now you said you told us about the story for the first time of Muhammad to became a prophet, right? It was in a cave of Hira. It was in the cave, yeah. But actually, I think that I have just heard about the story because most of the story from my book, the difference because we have a different story between my story and your story. My story from the book and your story, because I think it's very different, right? because here in our book, yeah, it didn't say like what you said, because the first time it said that Muhammad came by one of creature, yeah, that that story is quite different. So how come?
One of
Where did
what?
you
One
get
of what?
one? Yeah, the story from what you have already told us about the story about the first meeting of Muhammad with the creature. Yeah, it's very different with our book here. So I just want to know what book did you read, because here in my book I got story from the name of Inilah Rasulullah, and name
Ya,
yeah.
oke Bu Watimena, dia sudah
If
kirimkan.
you read,
Oke,
if you read the
Amir,
book for Ibn Hisham,
Yeah.
ya,
and I posted
C-
as well the Kitab al-Nubuwa as well from Maktabat al-Nur. I just posted the link as well to
uh,
you.
oke, ya, ya, ya,
yeah,
ya. I want to
think,
show, to her, ya, about the link when
Yeah.
you
yeah,
send to me.
yeah,
Oke, jadi
I think your story is more completed, more complete than mine, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ya
because
ini Bu,
they
Bu,
lie, sisters.
Oh
They
gitu
keep
ya.
lying.
ini bukunya Bu, ya mau di download bisa ada di private chat. Ini bukunya the Biography of the Prophet by Ibnu Hisham PDF.
Oh,
Ini
Ibnu
ada semuanya biografi The Prophet by Ibnu Hisham, biografi The Prophet by Ibnu Hisham, kemudian Medina Society at the time of the Prophet. Ini lengkap semua. Saya sudah download. Tapi kalau mau di-download saja, silakan Bu. Itu yang tadi dia ceritakan terambil dari sini.
Oh, so I think
Okay.
Ibn Hisam's books is more completed here, because yeah, what I have already read here is not like yours, you know. Yeah, how come
Actually,
become very different?
you can even Google it. The test, you can Google the test of the Nubuwa of Khadija, test of the Nubuwa. You can Google it, and you will find it. It will come up on Google. It's very easy. You know.
Yeah.
I may Google it now and find it for you. Let me find it, because it's even on Google. You know.
Ya Google, ya oke.
Yeah, I know.
You can share the Google when you find it.
Yeah, I think the difference between yours and mine, I think it's about when Khadijah tried to make her husband calm, to go to apa dengan selimut itu ya. Yeah.
Blanket with the
Yeah,
blanket.
Yeah, because Muhammad
yeah.
said, "Please blanket me, cover me with the blanket," because he
Yeah,
was
I
very
missed that.
satisfied.
Yeah. I missed that.
But here,
He said cover me. He said
Yeah.
cover me.
yeah, he
Zammiluni,
said cover
zammiluni.
me. Yeah,
He said
but here,
zammiluni, zammiluni.
but here in my book, yeah, it was not. It doesn't say about he did something with her. He did something with his wife to reject mengusir to make the creature go away by doing that kinds of that such thing. Do you understand me?
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
I do understand.
it's not said here. So I
They
think
said in the actual thing they said that she removed the cover of her tie, first left tie, then she removed the cover of her right tie, then they said she removed the whole hijab.
my
So this is what they said, but he's between her ties, what he's doing.
yeah, only it's only said
They-
here, only cover me with the blanket, cover me, but after that there
that's
not
before the test. After the test, he was naked, because if she removed the cover between on her from her legs, there were no underwears at the time, So what do
Oh
you
my God.
think?
Ya.
Yeah, so it
Ya,
means that here, yeah, uh,
jadi katanya
yeah.
Pak Bro Amir, jadi waktu eksperimen itu jadi di paha kirinya Khadijah, kemudian pindah ke paha kanannya, terus akhirnya dia membuka hijabnya, buka bajunya, ya sampai naked, sampai telanjang. Dan itu tadi diceritakan bahwa apabila memang pasti setan senang melihat yang hal-hal begitu, tapi kalau malaikat tidak. Tapi pada akhirnya katanya sudah pergi, berarti itu malaikat bukan setan, not the
Yeah,
demon
so
but
I've
the
just heard
angel.
that.
Yeah.
So I've just heard that because there it wasn't written here. Nothing. We haven't heard about that such of story. We have
Oke.
we have never we have
Oke.
never heard that kind of story.
Have
Oke.
you
Yeah.
heard?
Gantian
Have you
ya,
heard?
Bu, biar
Yeah,
Have
yang
you
yeah.
lain.
heard about the light? Have you heard about the light of the mother from the mother coming out of the mother of Muhammad?
Yeah, I have ever heard from the YouTube of Sofiatul, but I've never found it in our book here, in my book here, because
You will
it
never
wasn't.
do.
Yeah.
You will never do. They will hide it.
Oh,
And online they will make it daif. In
yeah,
the
yeah,
actual book, it is exist.
yeah.
You
So
know.
is it written in Ibn Hisham? Yeah, the name of the what is the book? You got it? What the name of the
I
book?
send it to you. I
Ibn
changed it
Hisham.
from my screen. 1 second.
Uh-huh.
I changed it from my screen. I think the brothers still have it. Let me open another time. السيرة النبوية لابن هشام.
Oh,
The
Asirat
story
Malik.
of prophetic story for Ibn Hisham.
Where can we find the book?
I
Where
just
can I
sent you a
go?
link. I just sent you a
Oh,
link. You can download it.
oh,
PDF. It's a PDF for the link for PDF.
okay. Thank you.
My
Thank you,
pleasure.
Mr. Okay. Yeah.
Oke.
And you have as well for please go ahead. There were someone, if I may, there were someone in the chat. He keep attacking our Lord Jesus Christ.
Yes.
The Muslim, if he
Yes.
to tell us his knowledge and everything, let him come up with us and
Yeah.
enlighten us about his prophet, his Islam, and his Allah. And maybe Jibril will help him.
When she
Pakai
asking
yang
to
bahasa
Muhammad,
benar aja, Pak. Dia nggak ngerti momo, nanti bingung. Yang benar aja.
quote and quote, Pak.
Iya, walaupun quote dia nggak tahu momo artinya apa. Muhammad aja begitu, nggak apa-apa.
Okay. when Khadijah say to asking to Muhammad, do you see him? Do you show him in my body? What body part Khadijah show to Muhammad? That's it.
Pertanyaannya apa, Pak?
According to the book, she show him the first the right thigh, then the second the first the left thigh, then the right thigh, then she uncover. That means she show him everything.
Oh gitu, ya. Oke. Oke, Pak.
Oke.
Terima kasih. Thank you.
Ya. Oke, Pak Westerling, apa yang mau ditanya? Silakan, mumpung ada. Di sini kita sampai jam 3 pagi tadi pagi bertanya jawab dengan Amir Zaidain. Mumpung Amir Zaidain yang ada di sini, silakan.
Begini Pak Lidara, tanyakan saja begini. Umat Islam kan mengakui bahwa wahyu pertama itu turunnya di Gua Hira ya.
Ya.
Ya, di Gua Hira. Ya, pertanyaan saya ini, kok kalau memang ada wahyu di Gua Hira, bagaimana dia bisa tahu? Bahkan sementara Muhammad itu tidak tahu baca. Bagaimana bisa mengetahui bahwa ada wahyu? Sementara dia sendiri disuruh baca nggak bisa baca. Ini pertanyaan saya saja. Coba mungkin ada hal-hal yang lain atau bagaimana? Oke, silakan lanjut.
Oh, itu pertanyaannya. Oke. Amir Zaidain, Westerling ask to you. How about the first revelation to Muhammad in the cave? Because Muhammad cannot read, cannot cannot read. So that's true. The first revelation to Muhammad in the cave.
اقرأ باسم ربك and then whatever and he said اقرأ باسم ربك, and that's what you are saying. Yes, he said that they wrote that in the Quran, but is that the first revelation? Allah knows best. I don't know.
Ya, dia sendiri nggak tahu karena nggak ada saksinya ya, apakah itu wahyu pertama atau bukan. Jadi yang nggak tahu, semua sama-sama nggak tahu. Yang tahu cuman dia berdua, ya Pak Westerling. Apakah benar itu the first revelation atau wahyu pertama? Ya, karena waktu pertama dikatakan hanya ikro bismi Rabbika ya. Bismi Rabbika. Jadi baca setelah dicekik 3 kali tadi ya. Amir sudah mengatakan bahwa dia dicekik di dalam goa itu sampai 3 kali, bahkan sampai hampir mati di batang lehernya, hampir baca ya, di squeeze tight squeeze in the neck ya. Oke.